Hello, I hope you are doing okay. Today we are going to see how we can transform this if else into ternary operator, and I'm going to show you how you can write your ternary operator. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start, and we will start with the condition. This condition, can copy this and put it here, and then put a question mark. And if this is true, we will print this. We will have this statement, if this is true. And let me put double point here. If it is false, we will have this. Let me save. As you can see, we have the condition and the question mark. If it is true, we will print this, and if it is false, we will print this. As you can see, the correct answer is equal to 9. Let's go to terminal, new terminal, and let's write that ternary dot and let's press enter. As you can see, you didn't study enough. This is because you have this printed twice because this isn't commented. Let me comment this. Okay, let me run this again. As you can see, you didn't study enough. So this is how you can write your ternary operator. And I have another thing, the last one. Let me just show you something. String is alive. Then let me just take this as null. If I do this string question mark is alive, I declare is alive is null. And let me do again string question mark again status 2 is null. And let me do if status is not null, is not equal to null, so I will is alive will be equal to status, else we do is alive will be equal to rip. So here we are saying if status is not equal to null, is alive will be equal to status. If not, it will be equal to rip. So to transform this, I can transform this into something I will call short if. To do this, let me just comment this. Can transform this to a short if, and to transform this to short if I will do, let me just copy this string status and I will do again string is alive is equal to status double question mark rip. So here what we are saying is that if status is the same thing, if status is null, is alive will be equal to rip. If status is not null, is alive will be equal to status. So let's print is alive. As you can see, is alive is equal to rip. Let me comment this here. Is alive is equal to rip, but if this string status has a value, let's call it married, and we run again, as you can see it is equal to married. So this is for today. I hope you saw how you do ternary operator, and you saw how you can do short if. This is a short if, and I hope you learned something new. I'm sorry for my English, so see you in the next video. If you are new, just subscribe to my channel and comment and share, ask any question you want. So I will see you in the next video.